How to assemble TAICO's Industrial and Commercial Energy Storage Series TKS E-Cube. First, install the battery modules on the rack in order. Then install the high voltage control module. Then test the voltage of each battery module to ensure that the voltage of each module is consistent. Connect the battery packs with copper plates and connect them in series. Determine if the copper plate connection is secure with a torque wrench. Connect the BMS of the battery module and the communication port. Finally, connect the battery communication line to the high voltage module. Connect the emergency stop switch to the high voltage module. Connect the condenser tube. Next, connect the external air conditioner. The air conditioner is directly connected to the load port of the inverter. The battery supplies power to the air conditioner through the inverter. When the air conditioner is working, the internal temperature of the battery module is reduced.